It's a song about love of all shapes and sizes and varieties, inspired by many different tales.